Hello, Lloyd Rieber here with a short video to demonstrate my app, Lloyd's Screencast Teleprompter. I thought it only appropriate to demonstrate the app by first writing a short script and using that script to create a screencast for use in my blog, Learning Live Code. You can read my blog for my reasons for making this teleprompter app, but suffice it to say that this is an app I've long been needing. I'm actually a little surprised and embarrassed that it didn't occur to me to build it sooner. In this demonstration, I'll show the basics of the app. First and foremost is the need for simplicity. My hope is that anyone who uses the app will understand what to do in no more than about 60 seconds. The app is designed to sit near the top of the screen as close to the computer's camera as possible. This should give plenty of room in the rest of the screen for whatever window you wish to capture in your screencast, such as PowerPoint or Google Slides. That way, it's less likely that your viewers will be able to tell you are reading from a script because your eyes will be fixated on an area as close to the camera as possible. For example, focus on my gaze right now and consider if it feels like I am looking at you. If you can still see my eyes move back and forth from side to side, I can reduce the width of the prompter window to further minimize my eye movement. You can also change the size of the text as shown by the icons to the left. Probably the most important design feature of the app is to make it easy to change the speed of the teleprompter while you are making your recording, stopping it when necessary, and even changing the direction of the scrolling if your narration is going too slow at any one particular point. Notice how I can easily control the speed and direction of the teleprompter just by hovering my mouse over the colored areas at the bottom of the window. You can also control the prompter with the arrow keys if you wish. I also wanted to make it easy to edit the script as you are rehearsing while using the app. Well, thanks for watching this little demonstration of Lloyd's Screencast Teleprompter.